In a previous video, I trained an AI to play Mario Kart and received comments that humans could program better solutions. So this time I invited two friends to prove it. Who's actually better at parking, humans or AI? Before we can even get there though, I need to test my simulation. Okay, let's go. We're gonna drift. Go! Okay, we missed. Okay, nice. Around the first one, around the second one. We're gonna hit this. We're gonna hit it. Let's go! All right, I think I'm ready to send it. What's up, nerds?
All right,
I want to see if you guys can program a car to park before an AI.
I'm scared.
It should be fun. There is a super secret prize if you end up winning. The only catch is that you have to use my custom visual scripting system, and you only have an hour to do it.
Okay.
I think you're underestimating us.
I'm beating the AI
I
today.
think it's time we put AI in its place.
Yeah.
All right, then I'm going to start the clock. 3, 2, 1.
Go, go, go. Okay.
Open my virtual environment. Okay, he's learning.
Well, the first thing that I need to do is I need to find out how to move the car.
I don't really know if I'm competing against just Jeff or if I'm competing against the AI. Doesn't really matter because we're going to beat all of them either way.
Right now, the AI is still learning, so the car looks really shaky. The machine learning that we're using is called PPO, which basically just means that the car is learning through trial and error.
My initial idea would to just be, all we're trying to do is park it, and then we would set the transform and then lerp it. I don't know if that's going to work. I think Aya's maybe thinking that we want to have an AI drive it. So goodbye to that idea.
You know what Aya should do? Aya should do AI figure skating. And we all have to make our own figure skating routines. But for now, I'm going to park this freaking car, I guess.
The AI is actually doing way better than I thought it would at this point. It's touching the stall. It gets a reward when it moves closer to the parking stall, and it gets penalized for crashing. And it looks like maybe within the next couple of minutes, we'll progress to level 2.
I think my issue here is I don't know how to get the car to go, and that's going to take me probably 20 minutes.
So for the throttle, I'm going to do 1. Now I play. You move forward!
Get bool, get float.
When this front raycast is touching the parking thing, you'd want to like slow down, right? Okay, I feel the bathroom.
Oh, look at the green one. It's going right towards it. Oh, yes, level 2. This level's slightly harder. There's like a right and then a left. We got the first level in like 10 minutes, so we're good. I'm going to check on the other devs and see if they want to use their lifeline. What's up?
I'm screwed.
What do you mean? The AI is already on level 2.
Are you serious, dude? I can't even. My goal is to make the car go forward.
Do you need to use a lifeline?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, if you just want to make the car go forward, you could take a float and you could just make it 1 and plug it directly into the throttle.
There's the float. That's what I was looking for. Dang it, dude. I almost had it. How's Polly doing?
After talking with Jeff, it seems like this is way more difficult than the racing simulation. This, you have to really kind of figure out how to navigate the car. There's not a clear channel to help guide you in the right direction. I'm sure a programming solution is possible here, but at least for the moment, it kind of looks like the AI is untouchable.
If we just delete this and we just set it to true, I realized that deleting this thing was a grave mistake. Elemento P. Can we just go straight? And then just kind of, okay, we can do that. This is tough.
I put these islanders in the car to drive them, but no one is ever going to see it. Obviously, this is a bigger turn than level 1, so it's just taking a bit longer. It does look like they're making progress, which is good.
I'm so rusty at this. Transform in Unreal Engine is location, rotation, and scale, and I don't know if that's the same here.
Time to lock in. I think I can just make the car kind of just like patrol around this parking lot and scan for this parking space thing. So I think it's not that hard to do.
Ooh, the pink one is so close. They're like slightly to the right, but the AI could really beat this any second.
All I'm trying to do is beat the car. I don't care how I get there or what I do. I'm trying to hard code it.
Look. What is that? That's not my fault.
Dude, you have to drive to this spot. You can't fly to them.
Why is your car doing that?
What do you mean? It's your car. You're the one driving it.
Okay, we got it to stop where the stall is. Yeah, that's pretty good. But now we need to turn it, and that just sucks.
Come on. There's so many to the right. They're clearing the first curve, no problem. It's just that they got to go left. Ooh, they're so close. The brown one, for sure. That's it. Oh, wait, that one just hit it. Let's go, AI. Level 3. All right, I think it's time to encourage Polly and Jeff to team up because they're getting cooked.
At first, I really wanted to beat you, Just Jeff, but I think it's time we set aside our differences. We should work together to beat this AI. What do you say?
Yeah, that sounds great.
All right.
Getting a game mechanic to work like this is hard, but building everything else around a game too, that's a whole set of other jobs. Game development takes more time and effort than most people realize. Most devs earn less from their games than they should. That's where Xsolla can help. With Xsolla, you get access to an entire ecosystem of tools that make monetization, distribution, and reaching players worldwide way easier. They handle fraud protection, local tax compliance, and over 1,000 payment methods. It's the kind of infrastructure that simplifies game sales all around the planet. And whether you're an indie or an industry giant, Xsolla's solutions are already helping devs like you. So instead of wrestling with payment systems, regional checkout issues, and all the back-end stuff players never even see, use something that's already built to do it for you. And then you can focus on making the cool stuff. For all the things to move your game business forward, check out today's sponsor, Xsolla, using the link in the description.
I think it just needs to turn just a little more. There you go. That's it. And then if we go 10. Yeah, baby!
Let's
go!
Level 1.
Do it for every level and you got it.
What do you mean you got it? You guys are a team now. You should probably hurry up because there's like 30 minutes left.
We could probably just reset. No! Minor setback. We just have to beat the level again. I thought that resetting would reset the level, not the entire thing, and I should have known better.
Jeff's solution at the moment checks the car's distance to the target parking stall and brakes when it's close. He uses fixed numbers for all of it. After resetting his progress, he needs to remember the specific numbers he used to beat the level the first time.
And then this is like 10. Okay, we're good. Whew, close one. Okay.
If I get the turning to work, we can just combine our forces together.
You work on turning, and while you're doing that, I'm gonna
Okay.
try hard coding.
I think we got this.
Yeah,
I think we can beat the AI.
We need to go in a straight line over there. That's kind of what I think.
I think we have to make our own dot product function. So it's AX times BX.
We're gonna do 5, 4 here. Oh! Hey, we got to level 3 with my method. I'm good.
Oh!
Yeah.
I don't know if level 3 is gonna be okay though. This is gonna be a tough one.
The machine is having a hard time figuring out how to turn left.
Oh shoot.
Freaking amateur. I can turn left.
The AI seems to have hit a wall at the moment. It's been stuck on level 3 for about 30 minutes, but it is very slowly inching its way around the edge of the sidewalk.
Hey, so if we could really get that steering thing figured out, that would be great right now.
I'm gonna put my brain to the task right now. I think I got it. I'm feeling confident. I'm feeling confident right now. Oh, I think what I need to do is normalize the parking spot position minus the car position. I was really thinking about that.
Oh, you are big brained.
I think the time pressure has really affected Polly and Jeff here. This isn't an easy solution to create in an hour, and it's thrown them into a bit of a panic. Unfortunately for them, our deep learning AI continues to make incremental progress.
No, God, we gotta hurry. We gotta hurry.
Yeah, it looks like it's working.
But I have to make it slow down. Oh, wait, now if I get just Jeff's code,
I got you.
make it slow down, it's gonna beat every level.
The AI is getting around the corner.
1 minute. We still have 1 minute.
Yeah, right here.
I'm
All you have
pulling
to
up.
do is this. I'm not sharing my
You're not
screen.
sharing your
Oh, no.
screen, and the messages don't load. We have 40 seconds. We got it.
Right here.
Oh, we got it. Okay.
And so
No
it's
way.
basically saying-
It's not okay. It has to go a little bit further. So instead of 12, I'll do like 10 or something.
Yeah, like do like 10 or something.
It only takes one.
Watch this. It's not far. Wait. Watch this. Oh!
Yeah.
Let's go.
We did it. And now level two. No way. Okay, almost though. I'm just gonna make it move slower. We're gonna beat it. We're actually gonna beat the AI. Oh my God.
I believe.
Oh
The
my
ball's in
God.
your court now. I don't know what the rotation code you got is.
We're driving slow, but that's how it should be in a parking garage either way. First level, we got it. Okay, level 2. Please.
You're so cautious.
Please. Oh. Yes! Level 2.
Good luck on level 2.
Oh! No way. Oh my god. No way. Holy sh**. We actually did it.
You're crazy.
We beat the AI. We did it. Dude, we worked together. We actually combined our code. Just Jeff. We combined our code and we actually beat the AI.
The humans on top in this one.
The humans worked together and we did it. So what do we win?
You guys get the satisfaction of knowing that you're better than AI.
I spent an hour of my time.
Are you satisfied?
Yeah.
I actually, that does feel pretty good.
Yeah, you guys don't need AI.
Exactly. I would never, ever use AI.